Hi everyone, this series of videos will demonstrate how to create a beat 'em up type of game prototype using the Easy Hit System 2D package. Let's get started. Everything begins with a blank scene. Here, I've only installed the 2D sprite package, nothing else, no URP, no new input system. Let's start by creating a simple scene. I'll create a new sprite named Ground, give it a light green color, stretch it out at the bottom of the screen. And finally add a box collider 2D. This will be our floor. Next, let's create the main character. Here you can see I have some character images prepared. Drag the stand image onto the scene to create a new sprite object. Create an empty object named Anthony, drag the sprite object into it, rename it Avatar. And then add a weapon sprite to it. Add box collider 2D and rigid body 2D to Anthony, set the mass to 30. Test it out, now the character will land and stop on the floor. Now let's control this character. Create a new script named Player Controller and attach it to Anthony. Double-click to begin editing. We need to make the character move left and right, so we listen for the A and D keys. When a key is pressed, we change the character's velocity. There are many ways to move a character. You can calculate velocity and update transform.position yourself. However, because we're going to use the Easy Hit System 2D package, which utilizes Unity's built-in physics system, we'll move the character using physics here too. Now Anthony can move left and right. Let's give him the ability to jump. Jumping is simple, just apply an upward force to the character when the space key is pressed. Now Anthony can jump. You might feel the character falls a bit slowly. The current gravity is Unity's default. If you want to adjust it, you can do so here. For this demonstration, I'll keep the gravity at its default value. Here's a rewrite. I want to change the key mappings to be set externally, which will make it easier for us to create a second character later. This tutorial ends here. In the next one, we'll start creating character animations. See you in the next video.